aerobatics. Now on a multi-turn spin, coming upward at 4,000 feet per minute. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 2014 Wings Over Houston Airshow, Mr. Sean D. Sean will experience a bone-crushing range of G-forces from -6 to +12. Sean has been inspired by the new generation of radio-controlled pilots who were inspired by him in his early years. Watch now as Sean climbs skyward in this little biplane and performing one of his newest maneuvers. This is called the forward flip. Recovering is needed. Sean now rolls upright and does something called an inside-outside loop with a tumble at the top, called the hooey loop. Positive G's on the up line, 6 negative G's on the down line. Tosses Sean out of the cockpit. We got to see Sean early today and just a small portion of his full-up performance. But let's watch as he dives down toward show center and sets up for his next maneuver. He'll reach show center, pull the stick back into his lap. Do a shoulder roll to the right. Reaching 0 airspeed, he'll kick hard on the left rudder pedal and do not 1, but 2 consecutive hammerhead stalls.
Wow.
This aircraft is the Oracle Challenger 3. For Sean by his team, he's reached the limits of his other aircraft. It couldn't keep up with Sean. It weighs in at a mere 1,220 pounds and has a 400 horsepower engine on the front, making it the most high-performance aerobatic biplane in the world today. This inspiration of the new generation of radio-controlled pilots has Sean doing things in this airplane that no other airplane he's flown or biplane could ever fly, including this maneuver he does to the right. It's called the frisbee turn, inverted, sideways, skidding around the corner. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to go live to the cockpit and say hello to Sean D. Tucker. Sean D., are you with us? Oh, I got to say it all right. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the three best words in the English language. Absolutely, the greatest honor you run for you. The freedom to fly, the freedom to share love, the best of as he backs it up like a school bus with his engine turning the prop one way backwards. He goes 100 feet, 200 feet, all the controls reverse, left is right, right is left, forward is back, back is forward, 500, 600 feet in reverse. What do you think, ladies and gentlemen, of Sean D. Tucker in the Oracle Challenger 3? I want you to get on your feet and look out on the runway. Way down to the right, almost at show center, and over to the left. Spaced 700 feet apart are 3 sets of poles. Between those poles is a ribbon. There, that ribbon is stretched between there 18 feet high. Sean D. Tucker now. He goes under ribbon number 2, and then all the way down the line through ribbon, I'm under ribbon number 3. What Sean is going to try to do, ladies and gentlemen, is to cut all 3 ribbons, but doing it in one pass in 3 separate flight attitudes, done by no other pilot on the planet. As Sean recovers inverted, watch the Oracle Challenger 3 as he slowly rolls up low and continues to put this airplane through aerobatic that are heretofore unknown by pilots. Climbs straight up into the vertical. And dives down once again, picking up his airspeed, checking on those ribbons again. At 210 miles per hour. He goes by and checks. There's left and right and left and down through ribbon number 3. All 3, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Sean D. Tucker in the Oracle Challenger 3. Only Oracle offers hardware and software engineered to work together. Complete and integrated systems from Oracle simplify enterprise IT while delivering extreme performance. That's Oracle hardware and software engineered to work together. Sean climbs up. Goes the outside of double step roll and goes into sliding. That's called a slider. And there's another forward flip. One of the most incredibly well-trained athletes anywhere, Sean has to experience all these G's and be in tip-top physical condition. Now, as Sean comes back down to prepare for his low-altitude, low-speed pass, let's go back to Sean D. Tucker in the cockpit. Sean D., you are on.
Oh, man, what a day. This is my last show of the year, and I'm just so honored to be here. I love my job, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Together. Team Oracle, salute. Let's say it together. God bless America. Ladies and gentlemen, the guy in the green hat, give me a wave. The little girl in the pink dress, give me a wave. You guys are system. Everybody at Team Oracle, God baby. Hey, 6-6. I got you covered. God bless America, guys. We'll see you next year.
Way to go. Way to go, Sean D. Tucker. An awesome year for you. Congratulations. He is out and finishing up. Almost finished up, that is, because Sean D. Tucker now continues to and I think he's got the win just about right. Let's see it. We'll set up to do something for the Oracle Challenger 3. That will be a tribute to the United States Marine Corps AV-8E area. Watch Sean now as he climbs, pulls back on the stick and slows to 30, 20, 10 miles an hour. The tribute to the AV-8E of the United States Marine Corps, holding it in the air, showing you why he is one of the best of all time. Ladies and gentlemen, Houston, what will we do? For Sean D. Tucker. I can hear you. Of his power. Sean D. Tucker is the former winner of the U.S. National Advanced Aerobatic Trophy. He's the only person to be awarded the Bill Barber Award for Showmanship and the Art Show Memorial Showmanship Award in the same year. Continuing on this perfect day for aeronautics to hold the airplane almost dead still in the air. That's the last time he'll be doing that this year, and the smoke is on. Sean, that was just crazy good. In 2005, Sean D. Tucker was honored by the Smithsonian Air and Space Museum as one of the 25 living legends in aviation. In 2008, the home of the Wright brothers, Dayton, Ohio, he was honored and inducted into the National Aviation Hall of Fame. He's a winner of the coveted International Council of Airshow's Sword of Excellence. And he has recently taken on the chairmanship of the Experimental Aircraft Association's Young Eagles program, where young people ages 9 to 17 can get a free airplane flight to experience the joy of flight, the passion of flight, to live their dreams and to go after whatever they want to do. Sean D. Tucker in the Oracle Challenger 3 has worked tirelessly to promote general aviation and aviation for the future. I believe Sean will get off the runway and be able to come down in front of the crowd, so give him a wave as he comes by. You can learn more about Sean D. Tucker by going to teamoracle.com or visit his Facebook page. That's facebook.com/Sean D. Tucker. That's SEAND Tucker. Once again, only Oracle offers hardware and software engineered to work together. Complete and integrated systems from Oracle simplify enterprise IT while delivering extreme performance. We'll be back with the RE/MAX skydiving team in just a couple of minutes. Right after these messages.
Are you ready to work with someone you know and I got the perfect team for you. Thank you for area credit union. I've been up to their family and I'm just loving TBACU.org. They got the great deals on auto loans, new vehicles, used vehicles, or they'll refinance your current vehicle. Work with someone you know and trust, and that's Texas Bay Area Credit Union. Apply online, very easy application. TBACU.org or at any branch. TBACU.org has online research tools and can connect you with preferred dealers that offer flexible terms to suit your budget.